So I have a question about the garlic I'm going to plant this fall. Got my tea here. But anyway, so I'm thinking about, I need my husband to clear this stuff out, but that's a whole nother area. I'm thinking about doing my potatoes over there next spring. But for right here, I have all of this area and I have a tree. Where do you guys think, where do you think that I should plant my garlic? Does garlic, I'm going to eventually Google this, but before I Google it, maybe you guys have answers. Should I plant it where it's most sunny, where I'm already prepping right here? Or should I plant it where it's going to be more shady throughout the day? I don't know. This is a big space right here. It's very long, like this way, but I'm going to plant it's long this way, but I'm going to plant the rows this way. So that's what I'm trying to figure out. Where should I plant them? Sorry for the plane. I live like 6 minutes away from the airport. But anyway, if you have any suggestions, let me know. And also, yesterday, we put up this like gazebo tent type of thing. I'm going to eventually get some lawn furniture. I'm trying to catch everything on sale. I caught this on sale and yesterday, and I'm going to try to look for some furniture out here because I eventually want this to kind of be like my own little oasis out here as far as the garden and the way I'm going to set it up, especially for next spring. But like I said, if you have any suggestions on where I should plant this garlic, leave me a comment and let me know. Thanks. So here is the shelter that we got. We got this from Big Lots on a Labor Day sale. Now this thing was supposed to just be a pop-up tent, and I thought that it was going to be easy to set up. Maybe something that I could try to set up by myself. Worst case scenario, maybe need a second person. But that was not the case. But you know, there's my husband there. You know, he was mowing the area for me, but he couldn't just mow that area. So he was actually mowing the whole backyard for me. But here I am thinking that I could do it by myself. So just in case you guys are thinking like, why does she have anybody helping her? It's because I thought I could do it by myself. Like they don't have like written instructions, they just got picture instructions, but they look, we done push it all the way over.
Where you at? They ain't bent nothing, right?
I do.
Oh, you raised it all the way up? I thought you was going.
Okay, I get it now.
Yeah. The behind the deer.
I got one more in my hand if y'all needed one.
Yep, I guess that was the one extra. That's all it is. One extra. All that money you spent.
If you lose one, all you gotta do is
Oh, you be getting just size from the. Oh, it's behind you. How many going up there, bro? 1, 2, 3. You got 4.
2 on each one.
2 on each one.
Yeah.
Okay, lift it up, Jada. You lift that in with us.
Oh, Dana.
Yes.
The other catch over there.
Okay, calm down.
They're fine. They're just having fun.
Big joker.
Okay, can we pull it back this way a little bit though?
Uh-oh. Ready?
Dana, the other cats are fighting.
How far you going?
Let's right this.
Look how big this cat is.
All right. Coming in from the sides. All right.
Whoa, look
I
how
don't know what
big
that side
it is
going
in
out.
here.
This one's going in.
You guys gotta camera that in.
I was really thankful for my husband and my daughter helping me, especially when I thought that I can do it by myself. So they wanted steak, broccoli, and baked potatoes. So I decided to fire up the grill and make everything outside except the baked potatoes. But everything turned out nice. I'm very happy for this area that I have that I can stay away from the bugs and the mosquitoes because it's so lush back there that we definitely do have a lot of mosquitoes and different bugs back there, which is going to be beneficial for my garden next spring. But for now, at least I have an area where I can escape. So thank you all for watching, and please don't forget to comment about the garlic if you've stayed this long. Thanks for watching. Bye. I think he left that box out there.